Crypto moment. In this video, I will talk about TTcoin, a project that I have been following since January 2022. The interesting thing is that shortly after its launch, we faced crypto winter. Despite the low market value and little liquidity, TTcoin remained firm and strong. The community remained active and even concluded their own blockchain. The project not only survived, but also expanded its objectives. I'm going to give a summary of what's in the TTcoin white paper. What is TTcoin? Launched on March 24, 2021, TTcoin started as a token on the TRON Network and expanded to the Binance Network in January 2022. In June, the TTcoin Network app was published on Google Play to expand the community as it now has its own blockchain. TTcoin proposal. TTcoin is more than just a cryptocurrency. With a patent in Turkey, it is allowed to operate in every industry you can imagine, except car production. Our goal is to work with the same logic as the Xiaomi company's vision, using the TTcoin name in many brands, clothing, and similar sectors. The established companies will be merged under the name TTcoin, and by using this name, they will regularly invest a certain amount of their income every month. As a team, we will publicly offer all existing securities except the TTcoin brand and 8% of the TTcoins we own. This way, TTcoin will become a brand in the future and will be supported by communities. TTcoin, transforming investments into real projects. TTcoin transforms investments into real projects, with companies and brands using TTcoin as payment. The project integrates Web3, virtual worlds, payment systems, and much more into a single network, offering convenience to users. Investments are protected, and TT token holders will have a say in the future. The team seeks to introduce the project to many users, and, when plans are complete, will direct financial support to the stock markets, aiming to reach the 1 cent goal. The goal is to achieve these goals between 2022 and 2024 and expand TTcoin's presence in several areas. Let's take a look at the TTcoin website. Here are the available partners, and we can see that there is still a lot of room for expansion. I bought TTcoin through PancakeSwap. The TTcoin ecosystem was created to maintain balance in the crypto market, transform investments into tangible projects, and develop TTcoin with these projects. The companies created with the investments will be united under the name TTcoin and will function as a factory to help users and others. Therefore, the future is closer than expected. The TTcoin Football Club project will only use TTcoin as currency in its activities. We will burn TTcoin based on match statistics such as scoring goals or winning games. This project combines football and cryptocurrencies, showing investors the results of their investments. Sports activities will help educate about cryptocurrencies and avoid misunderstandings. The club, called TTcoin, will display the TTcoin logo on its emblem and has its own facilities and football field. So come on, TTcoin has its own blockchain. In MetaMask, it is now possible to configure the network with the acronym TSC. It has Web3 wallet, which currently uses the TSC network. TTcoin FC is the first sports club in the world to be founded by a cryptocurrency. Let's analyze the 2024 roadmap. Stage 1. Developing games that users will enjoy, for Android, iOS, or computer system. Stage 2. Listing on well-known exchanges, or reach more investors and create safe havens. Note the growth potential here, as it is not listed with any major brokerage. Stage 3. Working with different teams to develop DAP projects on the TSC network. Stage 4. As we promised, our sports club will officially establish its team and enter the competitions this year. Stage 5. A regular amount of TTcoin will be purchased first on the BSC network, which is the Binance network. Tokens purchased on the Binance network will be burned. TTcoin already has the first company, TTcoin Energy and IT Technologies Limited Company. It will carry out studies in this area under the name TTcoin project and will produce products under the TTcoin brand. Note this post on July 13th. TTcoin thanked the community as the TTcoin network exceeds 8 million miners. Due to this fact, TTcoin begins to attract attention. Exchanges made contact. Here in the post, there are people showing interest in the project. On July 18th, 2024, Telegram has the verification seal. When searching for TTcoin, look at how many accounts you have on X. TTcoin main account, TTcoin Sports Club, the TTcoin blockchain account, and finally the TTcoin mining account. I won't detail the other social networks because for cryptocurrencies, X, formerly Twitter, is the best social network, but the website has all the official links, and in the description of this video, it has all the links. Just one detail that is not common in cryptocurrencies in general, this one even has a community on WhatsApp where they make important posts that they also post on X. Note that the last one refers to Telegram verification, and on WhatsApp it has 51,000 followers. Let's analyze TTcoin's numbers. Total supply is 6 billion. Total burns around 2 billion. What is in circulation is around 2 billion. The launch date on Coingecko was October 2021. During this period, most coins were on the rise. In the case of TTcoin, the top was 0.002, that is, less than 1 cent on the dollar. Look at the value it is today, with 3 zeros and 1, no different from most coins that melted in the crypto winter. My personal view on TTcoin. Since I started following the project in September 2021 and purchased TTcoin in January 2022, I have been impressed by its resilience and innovation. Weathering the crypto winter and continuing to grow is a testament to the strength and determination of the team behind TTcoin. TTcoin is not just a cryptocurrency. It is an ambitious proposal that seeks to transform investments into tangible and real projects. With its own blockchain and an expanding network, TTcoin is integrating cutting-edge technology with industries ranging from digital payments to sports. I firmly believe in TTcoin's potential to reach new heights and bring real benefits to its investors and the community. If you are looking for a cryptocurrency with vision and commitment, TTcoin deserves your attention. The multiplication potential that TTcoin is offering. It is important to remember that in the crypto market, anything can happen. TTcoin can either reach new heights or remain in the same position. However, based on what I believe and what we have seen so far, I have confidence in TTcoin's growth potential. Let's take a look at the numbers and consider what might happen in the future. For context, TTcoin's market capitalization is $300,000, rounding for ease of calculation. This represents a very low risk. However, for analysts, TTcoin is seen as a very high-risk bet. I've mentioned in previous videos that this is often my investment profile. Currently, TTcoin is listed on a broker and has only moved around $40,000, which is quite low. To clarify, a coin with low trading volume generally moves between $1 to $5 million in a 24-hour period. When I say that TTcoin's potential is extremely high, it is because when it reaches the listing stage on several exchanges, usually between 4 and 5, which generate a significant volume, its market capitalization is likely to exceed $100 million. It is worth remembering that, for analysts, a capitalization of 100 million is still considered low. Let's analyze the calculation to understand it better. Capitalization, 300,000. It's simple, 3 million. Increased 10 times, 30 million. It is already going up to 100 times. I reinforce here that 30 million capitalization is considered by analysts to be a low-value currency. Going to 100 million is equivalent to 330 times the amount initially invested. And if I were more optimistic and calculated it to 500 million, because in the long term I believe it will be more, but let's leave it at 500. Pay attention. Reinforcement, even though 500 million is considered low capital. At this level, this is where a lot of people start to buy, so I think it can go much further, because at this level of 500 is equivalent to 1,660 times, or if you prefer, 160,000%. So, if the purchase value was $1,000 and it reaches a capitalization of 500 million in the end, my capital will be $1,160,000. TTcoin remains on my radar and I have no plans to sell it at the moment. It has maintained its current value for more than 2 years and I believe it can still bring good results. Congratulations on reaching the end of this video. It demonstrates that if you notice something I didn't mention about TTcoin, leave a comment with your opinion or questions. Population has already invested in cryptocurrencies.